Thinking Math has really changed the way I approach my math instruction, especially because it's a spiral and I am so accustomed to moving towards mastery.
Oh, so you added the ones together? Can you put those together then?
The spiral has allowed my students to really build more critical thinking skills. They're able to retain and pull in past ideas to apply them to the new ideas that we're learning.
I care about how you got there. Did you try this method on? How did you get there?
It's not like other computer programs that aren't directly tied to what we're teaching. So I know they're getting practice in what I'm teaching, but also it depends on what they need extra work on. So it kind of combines a personalized aspect with a connection to what I'm actually standing in front of them teaching every day.
She does this number line thing and she does this thing and she writes on the board, and then we write on the little boards on the carpet, and we figure out, and Miss Colette kind of helps us, but doesn't give us the answer.
Look ahead for me yet, but if you want to look and see where we're going. What's really cool about Amplify is it's not static, whereas if you're working with a textbook, there's one problem and it's static. Many of the Amplify lessons allow students to put in their own data, their own measurements, and each and every student gets a different result because it's based on what they put in versus what the textbook publisher says they should have. So that's really one of the strengths of Amplify.
And by multiplying by 2?
They're engaging very well. I mean, they're middle school students. One of the lessons I did with my Math 7 class was on inequalities. And they have Shira the sheep. If you do it right, she gets to eat grass, and if you do it wrong, she ends up in the water. And it's just that type of thing versus, on a piece of paper, graph the number line. There's no fun to it, there's no feedback to it. So, so it teaches them the math just in a more fun and engaging way.
I enjoy digital work so we can more easily get answers and know what we did wrong, especially in the Amplify curriculum where we can see what my other classmates have answered, and maybe if I've noticed, oh, I got a different answer, and then I can review my work and see if maybe I did something wrong.
Okay, hold on. Let's do one problem.
I was a little nervous about coming to the rug and having conversations most days, and they have just really adjusted to that. They are super vocal. They love to state their opinion. They love to debate. They love to have conversations. They talk to partners all the time, and that's fun. And it's fun to discuss math, and that's just a whole new experience for all of us.
64.3. So you rounded to the nearest?
It's much more, let's get involved, let's get engaged, let's figure some things out. Not that they have to discover everything, but there is that process of trying to give meaning to the math. That question, that every teacher hates. When am I ever gonna have to use this in real life? Really, what are we teaching students that they really are gonna use in real life? And I feel like Amplify's approach to that actually gives them skills that extend beyond just the math curriculum.